We know that Kimberly earns K dollars per week. At this rate, how many weeks will it take her to earn P dollars? So this is a proportion question, where we want to first find out what the unit is. In this case, we know that the unit is dollars per week, so we can write down dollars per week. So we know that the first input of information that we know is K dollars per week. We know that Kimberly earns K dollars per 1 week. So we can write down K over 1 because she knows that she earns K dollars for 1 week. And now we know that we want to convert this into how many weeks will it take her to earn P dollars. Well, we know that dollars go on the numerator, and we don't know how many weeks it takes, and that's what we're trying to solve, so we can use x for that. So now what we can do is cross multiply. X times k gets you xk, and then p gets you p. So now we can divide both sides by k, and so we get x is equal to p divided by k.